knee. We can go ahead with disassembling the forks. I did one side already because I don't want to show you all the try and error. So now I know how it's done, and we can do the second side, and the forks will get a full service. This is definitely no fresh oil. Old oil is good for the skin, they said. Now look at that. In here there's some kind of rubber stopper kind of thing, and it's completely coming apart. So I'm happy that I decided to make a service because it's necessary. The spring is very rusty. Now we want to remove this cap, and to do so we remove this rubber thing. Just push it out. Now we loosen this one, and then we can take off the whole cap. And here we got this stopper rubber thing. I hope I can get this one new. That's the pieces of it. All these parts have been sitting for maybe 15 years and you see this slimy whatever oil thing. That's no good. Now we want to take out the snap ring, and then we can take out the whole assembly. Can push this all the way through, and this one is like a nut or a screw. You can just screw it out. Yeah, just like that. This is the actual fork seal. We just popped this one out with a screwdriver. Be careful not to destroy the seating area. And now we want to address this one. Why is this so destroyed? Maybe it was the wrong fork oil in, or... No idea. Just find it really strange. all parts are cleaned and the whole forks are separated and taken apart, and that's how it looks. This is the damper rod. We will change some parts on these. We will change all rubber parts inside, of course the seal. And yeah, that's how this fork looks inside. We're gonna end this video here. Subscribe and don't miss any of the videos of this crazy build. See ya!